So, real quickly before we start, I have a really quick announcement. This is actually a real upload of a video because the original video may have gotten taken down for um policy on personal identifiable information. I've gone back through and I've re-edited the video so that wouldn't happen again. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Now in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up the TP-Link Archer BE230. This is a brand new, my first actually Wi-Fi 7 router. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so there's just one thing on the bottom, so let's just open it like that. Because it looks like that. So now you put this on a top-down shot. And right there is our router. Whoa, this thing. There we go. Right here is our brand new router. So we'll put that to the side for a second. Here we got it's like standard power cable, and then quick installation guide, warranty card, technical support, won't be needing that, license notice, the driver thing, it's fine, and then a little Ethernet cable. Okay, so now we're gonna move over to our Ethernet and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so right here is where all the network is. So let's start unplugging in a nice time lapse. Okay, old router is now out. This thing's from about 10 years ago, so thankfully I am getting an upgrade. So we'll set this outside for now. And then we'll grab our new power cable. We'll plug it in after we untangle it, which is always the fun part. Ugh. Okay, so now that's done. It's a pretty long cable, so let's try to get it untangled. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now what we're gonna do then, once this is done, we're going to try the cable manage. So what I'm gonna do is we're going to put this under here. Also high, so that I can pull it up from here, and then we'll put the other side right here, which put on top of the switch, and then we'll plug it in. We'll grab our new router. So now here's the thing, the new router is a little bit bigger, so we're gonna have to do a few changes. I'm just gonna steal my current WAN. Actually, I'm gonna grab the new Ethernet cable and then I will be back. Okay, I got our new cable, so now we're going to plug in our WAN along with our LAN, and then did I plug in? Yeah, and then we'll plug in our power cable. Where's the power cable in this thing? There it is. And then we'll turn it on. And oh, we got lights. That's a good sign. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then we'll let it do its little thing, its first boot up process. And then we'll head over to the computer for setup. Okay, so as you can see now, we are on our my phone. I'm going to actually turn on Do Not Disturb too. Okay, so we're gonna add device. We're gonna add a router. Power lights on. LEDs are stable. Enable camera and scan. Scan the code. We'll join the network. It'll search for the device. It found it. Okay, perfect. Set up this device. WAN's already connected. Modem is restarted. Okay, device password. Maybe later. I'll just set my password now for the router. Click next. And then we wait. Check the internet type. We'll do dynamic. We'll say it's dynamic IP. Now we're gonna create a Wi-Fi network. We are going to just, I'm going to hide this for Wi-Fi purposes, and we're just going to name it. Same thing I was set before for the Wi-Fi. Next. Perfect. Update time 3 AM to 5 AM. That works. Enable auto updates. Ah, shoot. Hide. I'll have to fix that in editing. Perfect. And apply. So now it's applying our settings. And then once it's done, I will be back. Okay, just like that, we're all set up. We found our router network. And it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. And perfect. We'll authorize that. And we're online. So we're gonna go through some of the settings. Download rate, network status, we're online, that's good. Clients, we have one client and it's my phone. One client, so iPhone watch. Wire clients, I'll have to get my server IP address set back up. Security, yeah, that's fine. There's parental controls, that's good, and then we have all the settings. So I'm gonna get this set up the way I want. But anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video. Bye!